Heal's legacies really comes from an IT ops sort of background, and now you're applying AIOps into the IT ops role. Um, One of the things that it's really kind of captured my attention about your approach is Heal really seems to have a focus on user experiences and thinking about what are users' experiences as they're touching applications, as they're experiencing not just the entire application, but any given individual feature. Why is this has this user experience focused approach really taken a hold at Heal? And what does it mean in terms of how your teams think about product, think about delivery?
Yeah, taking COVID as an example, right? All of a sudden, at least many people across the world, we started. We are always remote. We are in front of a screen. We are in front of a device, and we expect a level of experience like never before, right? It doesn't matter what time of the day or night or weekday or weekend. We want to be able to order what we want, whether it's food or grocery or anything else, and we want to deliver to us as soon as possible. Of course, way before that, this requirement or expectation or a need from users have started to accelerate and grow. And thanks to cloud, thanks to mobile devices, thanks to many other connectivity options that we have, this has become the norm. It's no longer an exception anymore. So user experience for a business, if I'm an enterprise that is providing a solution, if I'm a bank offering a internet banking solution, it's very important for me that my users get the same level of experience. Of course, the switching costs of late have come down. You can now go from one bank to the other, or you can go from one retailer to another. You can go from one ride hailing service to another one quickly. So, which means that in order to retain those users, you need to provide a consistent and superior user experience at all times. And also, as we know, for SaaS companies, can the some of the metrics that determine the company's valuations, is all about average users or monthly average users, churn, etc. So all the way to the board, these metrics are the ones that are actually visible, which means that if there is degradation in that, and we know very quickly, thanks to social media and the way information is shared between people, any bad news gets spread out very quickly. So the degradation in user experience could be devastating for a company, and we have seen many instances of that. So that's why it's important to provide that need is, the bar is high today. And that's why SaaS companies in particular, as well as any enterprise that's providing software-based solutions, are on the hook in order to ensure that this is met.